How to get the best Air Canada discount promo codes. Planning a trip but want to save on flights? Air Canada promo codes can cut costs by up to 50%, and here's how to find and use them. Active deals include 35% off flights and packages, up to 50% off seasonal travel deals, 20% off store-wide codes, and 10% off select routes like Miami to Ottawa. Aeroplan Visa members also enjoy free baggage perks. So you can find verified codes on Air Canada's official site, coupon platforms such as Bargain, Moose, and WeThrift, and through email sign-ups. Aeroplan loyalty members also get exclusive discounts. At checkout, go ahead and enter the promo code in the discount box. Codes apply best for flights, vacation packages, and group bookings. So always test codes before relying on them. Air Canada promo codes are a reliable way to save, so stick to verified sources, apply them at checkout, and enjoy affordable travel. And that is how to get the best Air Canada discount promo codes.